Matteo Salvini is an Italian politician who served as Deputy Prime Minister of Italy and Minister of the Interior from the 1st of June 2018 to the 5th of September 2019. He has also been Federal Secretary of the Northern League since December 2013. He has been a senator in the Italian Senate since March 2018. He previously served as a member of the European Parliament for the constituency of Northwest Italy from 2004 to 2018. He has been considered a hardline Eurosceptic politician, holding a starkly critical view of the European Union, especially of the Euro. Salvini opposes illegal immigration into Italy and the EU as well as the EU's management of asylum seekers. He is also considered one of the main leaders of the populist wave which shook Europe during the 2010s and a member of the neo-nationalist movement, which has a rightist ideology that emphasizes the globalization, nativist and protectionist stances. Salvini is nicknamed the Captain by his supporters during his time serving as Deputy Prime Minister. Many political commentators and newspapers, such as The Guardian, The New York Times, The Financial Times, The Economist and The Huffington Post, characterized him as a strongman and the most influential politician in Italy after the 2018 elections. Matteo Salvini was born in Milan in 1973, the son of a business executive and a housewife. In 1985, at the age of 12, he took part in game show Doppio Slalom, hosted by Corrado Tedeschi on Canal 5, and in 1993, at the age of 20, he participated on Il Pranzo e Servito, hosted by Davide Mangacci, which was broadcast by Rete 4. Salvini studied at the Classical Lyceum, Alessandro Manzoni, in Milan and later attended the University of Milan where he first studied political science and then moved to history. However, he interrupted his studies in order to start his political career and never graduated. During his youth, Salvini used to visit the left-wing self-managed social center Leoncavallo. Although the nature of this relationship is controversial, he stated he used to go to Leoncavallo in his late teens and he embraced those ideas. However, in his autobiography, he writes, "I went to the Leoncavallo just one time, for a concert, when I wasn't even interested in politics." An investigation of Jacobins scaled down his relationship with the center. In 1990 Salvini became a member of the Lega Nord, the regionalist and separatist movement founded by Umberto Bossi in 1989. He was an active member of Young Padanians movement, LN's youth faction, of which he became city coordinator for Milan in 1992 and city secretary in 1997. In the same year, he started working as journalist for La Padania, the official newspaper of Lega Nord. In 1999 he has also worked on Lega's radio broadcaster Radio Padania Libera, and since July 2003 he was registered as a journalist on the list of Italian professional journalists. In 1993 he was elected in the City Council of Milan, a post that he would hold until 2012, while in 1997 he participated in the Padanian elections and was elected within the list Comunisti Padani, which gained 5 seats out of 210. In the following year, he was elected provincial secretary of the League for Milan. In 1999 during an official visit of Italian President Carlo Azeglio Ciampi in Milan, Salvini refused to shake his hand, stating that Ciampi did not represent him. Secretary of Lega Nord Deputy Prime Minister Minister of the Interior Salvini was elected with 14,000 votes a member of the European Parliament for the Northwest region in 2004 and participated in the European Parliament as a part of the non-unscrits. During the legislature he selected Franco Bossi, brother of the party's secretary Umberto, as his parliamentary assistant. In 2006 he lost his office as member of the European Parliament and was replaced by Gianpaolo Gobbo. Salvini was then re-elected city councillor in Milan in the municipal election of that year, with over 3,000 votes. In the same year, he became deputy secretary of the Lombard League, along with Marco Regusoni, and the party leader in the city council. Salvini ran in the 2008 general election and was elected in the Chamber of Deputies for the constituency Lombardy 1. However, he resigned on 13 July 2009, after being elected once again in the European Parliament in the June election. In the Parliament, he sat in the Europe of Freedom and Democracy group, On the 2nd of June 2012, Salvini became the federal secretary of the Lombard League, defeating Cesarino Monti with 403 votes against 129. Following the election, on the 12th of October he decided to leave the office of group leader and city councillor after 19 years. Salvini was later elected deputy in the 2013 general election, but he renounced his mandate on the first day of the legislature and was replaced by Marco Rondini. Salvini maintained the position of MEP after the 2014 European election, in which he was re-elected. He returned to the non-unscrits. In June 2015, he was part of the creation of a new